This phone holder is my new best friend for my golf cart. Hands-free. I don't have to put it in a cup holder. I don't have to put it on my seat. This thing is nice. Let's check it out. I'm talking about the KingofKings magnetic phone holder. If you're riding around in a golf cart, you want to have this accessory. Setup is simple. Attach the ball joint, lock in your phone, and you're ready to go. It's built with 8 heavy-duty magnets and a non-slip base that gives you up to 20 pounds of holding force. So your phone stays locked in place even on bumpy cart paths or off-road trails. The one-touch lock makes it super easy to use. Just set your phone down, and with one hand, it snaps into place. In a 360-degree rotating ball joint, you can angle your phone for GPS, calls, music, or even recording your swing. It works with basically every smartphone and fits most major golf cart brands. If it has a metal surface, it'll work. It's a great gift for golfers, dads, or anyone who wants a hands-free phone mount. If you want a rock-solid phone mount for your next round or just for your cart in general, this is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend this product.